for the wig that I'm rocking in today's video. This wig is from Nadula Hair. It's a Yaki straight texture hair and it's a 7x5 closure. It is pre-plucked, pre-bleached. We do not even have to cut the lace. The lace is already cut and the hairline looks flawless. As you can see, this is how the hairline looks when the hair is wet. Absolutely flawless and bleached to perfection. And all you got to do is just pop it on your head and style it as you please. Hey everyone, I'm back with another video for you guys. I'm back with another wig video. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a closure wigs. Yes, I've been rocking a lot of closures lately. I've done a lot of glueless, but this wig you can wear glueless or you can add glue to it. I think I'm going to do glue because I got places to go today and I do not want my wig to fly off my head because it is windy outside. So we will be putting some glue on her. I love the texture on these wigs as well, and they're very easy to style. I have worn Nadula's wig in the past and they have been really stepping it up when it comes to how good the lace looks, and I'm all here for that. I'm all here for pre-plucked, pre-bleach. Don't really have to do much for it to look good. I'm all here for that. So this wig, it is pre-plucked and it is pre-bleach. I'm going to pop this on my head now, and I'm not going to do the ball cap method because it is a closure wig, and I don't really like doing the ball cap method with closure wig because I feel like it doesn't really make much sense, especially because there's no lace here. So what's the point? But if you feel like doing the ball cap, go right ahead and do so. How the wig looks. Hallelujah, that is my Bible app. So this is how the wig looks in the back. It has the combs in the back, just the one big comb, which I'm all here for the big one at the nape. It just makes more sense than having a smaller one. And then it also has like this rubbery thing at the back, which I actually like that feature because I feel like it's not pulling on my hair in the back as well. So I'm gonna pop this on. It has an adjustment strap right here as well. And I already went ahead and adjusted. Hopefully I didn't do it too tight. Ciao. Okay, I know it looks crazy right now, but trust the process. Okay, clearly that is like way too far onto my head, so we gotta pull her up a bit. This wig is a 7x7 HD closure wig. I think that is good for a closure wig. I personally love me some 7x7s. I don't like it when it's not a lot of lace to work with. You guys know how I feel about my frontals. I love frontals because they're just versatile, but you know, every now and then I like to throw on a little closure. Hairline, and see the lace on this wig. It looks absolutely amazing, and like I said, I don't have to tweeze it for it to look good. It's good enough. I do have to make some changes to the hairline because this hairline goes a little too far on me. I prefer it to be like right here. I don't like when it goes all the way down here. What I like about 7x7s, I can actually get away with still doing a side part if I want to do a side part, or I can do a center part if I want to do a center part. Now personally, the hair is straight, but I think I want to curl it up a little bit because I love how the kinky texture hair looks when you curl it. So I'm gonna probably curl mine up a little bit, and I'm gonna go ahead and take out this much hair in the front because honestly I don't need all this extra lace. Like, she is just not necessary. So this much. So I'm pretty much gonna glue like right here. I don't want all this. Okay, now we're gonna give that some time to dry, and once it's dry, I'm gonna go ahead and pull that lace down. Okay, so I can already tell that I'm gonna be cutting up quite a bit of lace. Oh, and I forgot to mention that this wig is obviously pre-cut lace as well. It is pre-cut. However, I do have to cut it a bit more just so it can work for my hairline, because right now it's not really working for my hairline. My hairline is not this low, so I have to go, you know, cut quite a bit off. And as you can see, I'm cutting it really jaggedy, no straight line across, because if I do that, child, the hairline is going to be given wig. I'm going to take a small amount of that lace glue and just add it to the tip of the lace and wait until it dries clear. And again, I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing at the sides from the areas that I actually missed. So I just use my rat tail comb and I go in with the lace glue. I add a small amount. Once it's dry, I pull that lace down and melt it down. I absolutely love the amount of closure that's on this wig. I think I said 7 by 7, but it's actually 7 by 5. So 7 by 5. I just apply it to my finger like so, because I can't do this because I have makeup on and I'm just going to spray up my whole face if I do that. So just apply it with the finger, and I'm just going to go in with a blow dryer really quickly. Okay, so I'm just going to go and just tie her down like so. All right, ouch, ouch. All right, so I'm just gonna go ahead and remove that. Ooh, okay. Scalpiana, she looks great. I just have to go ahead and style this wig now. And I'm just taking my hot comb and I'm just gonna flatten her down because she's sitting a little high right now, and I'm gonna flatten it down. All right guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and start curling up this hair. So this is pretty much how she is looking when she is straight. Do y'all like it? I mean, I will clip the ends a little bit, but yeah, this is how it looks when she's straight, which I like it. It looks great, but I want some more oomph to her. I want some volume.
Yeah, you better. Yeah, you better.
So let me go ahead and remove these curlers from my hair. So I didn't actually add any hairspray, so hopefully, you know, the curls are still doing something. Like, I don't want it to be super tight. I just want to have some, you know, volume. So here for it, guys. Okay, so this is pretty much the completed look. Let me stop touching the hair. I'm loving it. She's given body. And she's given movement, okay? I'm feeling her. But yeah, everything will be listed in the description box down below. So make sure you guys check that out. I will see you guys in another video very, very soon. I love you guys so much and thank you for watching. Bye.
Nadula.